king of the cut then.
Yeah, this is a crazy business. Up, down, hey, it's just like the old days. You flash the cash, you get the play. The only difference is inflation.
What, no hookers, Tommy? No blow?
Would you like to talk into the microphone? Caitlin, this is Benny Rose, Vice President of Advertising and Special Events.
Pleasure. I am a big fan. What's the call?
Rubber Love by my main lady Moon and the Blowgun. I think it's gonna be a monster. What do you think, Ben?
Oh, I think it ought to enter top 10 anyway.
It's the silver thing. What do you think? Top 5?
With the bullets.
You Tommy Wolf. What are you, an insurance salesman?
Racketeering strike force. Police attorney's office. Anything you say will be used against you. Let's go.
This one's for Will. You can make him a star too, remember? And Rocky, and Lex, and everyone else you screwed over, you kneeling like two-faced bastards.
Let's go. Let's go.
60 minutes of malicious mischief. I got that sweaty mercenary moving 200 rocket launchers and 100 Uzis. Clark, I got the time and the place. All we need to know is how you want to move on it.
I don't.
You don't what?
ATF is handling it.
It's funny. I thought I just heard you say that ATF is going to take this. That's right. I just spent a month of nights with a bunch of guys that think garlic's mouthwash.
Do you know Caitlin Davies?
Yeah, I heard of Aretha Franklin. And Barbara Streisand, too.
This is not Metro Dade. It's a federal grand jury. They want someone who can blend in with the music people. Don't let her out of your sight until she testifies next week.
Well, how about...
Nanny and...
Guess it's time to get a haircut. What in the hell did I do to deserve this one?
Hey man, it's only rock and roll.
8 to 5, this is some publicity stunt.
Just relax. Be cool. So you get to hang out for a couple of days with the legend in her own time.
Legend in her own mind, you mean? Oh man, you know that this gal's gotta be weirded out from too much time under the spotlights. Self-obsessed, worried about whether her dressing room's big enough, paranoid somebody's gonna recognize her, freaked out that somebody won't. You know celebrities, man.